not for grammar. So today we're doing something new. We're gonna try to show how we cook our wild game, and I got the whole crew here helping me. We are gonna make some of my fajitas out of venison, and we're gonna give that a shot. My name is Sam Pearson. I'm native bred and baptized in the muddy waters of backwoods, Oklahoma. When the good Lord made me, He gifted me with the ability to answer the call of wild. I've dedicated my life to answering that call. The Okie way.
There's not on my eye. I see me.
We got avocado, onion, white onion, red onion, bell peppers, mini sweets, we got our venison meat here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all the vegetables and put them all. It's a lime. It's a lime.
And the lime.
And we're going to put it all, we're going to put all the vegetables mixed together. Quick, grab one, Oakland. Okay, Dexter, move your lime over here. Move your lime you're cutting all over here.
Are you going to try to do it?
Maddox, take these peppers. Look. Cut this off. About right there.
Can I have it? Okay.
Split it in half. Split it in half again. Just like that. Okay? Okay, here we go again. Now we've got our avocado. All these peppers we need to put in that pan over there.
Even this part?
No. No. Just the long pieces. Maddox, what are you doing over there?
Cutting.
Okay, you need to move for me to cut this onion.
Me?
Yeah, y'all both need to step back while I cut the onion. You're fine.
Just go in here.
Yeah, put them in there.
So I'm going to put my knife down.
Take all those pieces you cut and put them in the pan over here. Maddox.
Oh, Gwen, get down. You're going to cry.
It's going to make your eyes hurt. Get down.
Right over here. Not here. I know it's not.
Put it in the pan. Get all your yellow pieces over here and put them in that pan.
Okay. Oakland, I got some. But not these.
No, not those.
Because they're disgusting.
Just the long skinny.
These are disgusting. These are stacking. Before we move on to the next.
Yeah, but that, you can't really get that out very easily.
Right there. I'm going to try it. The blood is in there.
Yeah, there's blood in there.
Blood everywhere. There's blood everywhere. Even inside your body. Everywhere in everybody's body. And there's meat.
So when I process this in the field, I just I debone it and just stick it in the bag deboned. So before I cook it, I have to. I'm talking to the camera. So when I cook it, I have to trim all the fat, and usually it needs to be washed a little bit.
have to do it?
Because it's usually not very tasty. It's usually pretty dirty and it needs to be trimmed up, fat cleaned up.
Like this white thing right here.
Quit playing with it.
For me.
But I just take what you would normally use as steak
I'm
meat,
waiting for me to cut.
and it's from the leg. It's not backstrap.
No. I don't do.
Presentation tonight is just a hint of what's yet to come. I would definitely put this on your summer to-do list
when I'm done with this. Okay, we're gonna wash our meat here.
So we can cut that.
Huh?
We can cut that.
That's all the trimming. You don't need that. That's the bad part.
Is that the good part?
This is the good part.
So is that why we need to do that? I don't put that.
In the trash. We'll throw it away here in a minute.
Okay. Then throw away. Okay, then. So throw away. Okay. Then throw away. Okay. Then we could just twist that off. Then throw away. Then throw this away.
Make sure it's good and clean.
So
Make sure there's no.
So we can eat up. Daddy, are we gonna make a salad?
Not make this salad.
What are we making?
Alright, let me show you. Watch. It's gonna be kind of hard to cut. You gotta put your hand down there on it. Just don't put your thumb behind the blade. Look, you're gonna cut it into strips like this. Just tall, long, skinny strips. Just like that. Okay?
Just like this?
Put it in a pile, and then when you're done cutting, you put it in the pan. The big pan.
Got it in the squeeze up. Like that.
Congratulations.
I need to wash my hands.
Now you need to get in line to wash your hands.
I'm gonna wait until I'm out of line. Instead of this one. Wait until I'm out
Struggle.
of line.
Hey, what one do you want?
Orange peel.
Yeah, you throw it in trash, please.
Yeah. Our grandpa has a cat named Orange Pill.
Has a what?
Has a cat named Orange Pill.
Oh. So I like to add a little bit of orange to the vegetables. We're going to season that with a little bit of garlic salt.
I want my hands.
A little bit of lemon pepper seasoning on the vegetables.
No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No.
And we're going to run it under some water. A little
Hey,
bit of
you
water.
want me to put that in here in the sink?
I want to use it like that. No, you're done washing your hands. You put soap on your hands? Okay, well, wash them off and then get done. Okay, turn that one on. You're done. No, you're done. Get down. Get down. Get down. As for the meat, a little bit of Worcestershire. Little splash of soy. A little bit of A1 steak sauce. Alex, give her a chair. No, just a little bit of barbecue rub. Kansas City barbecue rub.
Daddy, what can I do? Me turn it off. Daddy, me turn it
Little
off.
splash of taco seasoning.
Daddy, Daddy, me turn it off. Daddy, Daddy, Daddy.
Just some Walmart taco seasoning.
We could get some. We could.
Little splash of fajita seasoning.
Daddy, what can I do?
Nothing yet. Turn the water off.
Shut this.
No, I don't need any. Turn the water off. Turn it off.
Open it.
Trash.
Trash it. Slide up. Open, I hit the slide up. Open, don't let me be right here.
Montreal steak.
Open, get on your side. I got here first. I want on here.
Little splash of slap your mama.
You're on my side. No, you're on my side. Huh? You. Get on your side. No, I'm your side.
And the tongs, please. And then once the meat browns, then you'll add a little bit more. And the tongs. Mix that up. The tongs, the blue things. The blue grabber. Guys, I didn't get that cut real good.
How can this slide it out? How can this go out?
When your helpers don't finish cutting it all the way through.
Daddy, how can this go out? Does this make it harder?
What?
Other than this.
It locks it.
So it just pops up?
So it doesn't come out as fast. You just let that cook up. Once it starts getting brown, you add a little bit of lime juice to it. Put those in the sink. Yes. So then you just let that cook up. So flour tortillas. A little bit of meat. A little bit of meat. Like what? A little bit of the vegetables.
You're gonna sit right here. Daddy, did you open this? This?
Do eat this.
Just a minute, son. Squeeze the line.
Daddy, I burned my tongue. I'm done with these crumbs. Daddy, I ate all the big bites.
No, you eat some more.
Daddy, eat some of the bites of those and some more together.
Cheese.
Asher, you want cheese? I want. Daddy, I want you. Good mommy.
Do what? Do what, Oakley?
Daddy, you're not a meanie.
No, I'm not a meanie. I'm a nicey, huh?
Yeah. Sometimes you're mean.
And there you have the finished product.